In this video, I will show how to fix your mouse auto scrolling problem in Windows 11. Search Device Manager. Expand here mic and other pointing devices. Right click on it. Update driver. Search automatically. It and open settings. Bluetooth and devices. Here click on mouse. Turn off this setting. Scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. So turn off this setting. That method, type here msconfig. Open system configuration. Select services. Check this box. Hide all Microsoft services. Now check this box. Disable all. Click on apply. Click on OK. Now restart your system. So using this setting you can fix mouse auto scrolling problem in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.